Welcome to Overland Park, where homeowners take pride in their beautiful properties. But clogged gutters can lead to serious water damage and pest problems. That's where our gutter leaf guards come in. With years of expertise in gutter protection, we offer solutions designed to keep your gutters clean and efficient throughout the year. Our gutter leaf guards prevent clogs, leaks, and costly repairs. In Overland Park, many homes face gutter-related damage annually. Don't let yours be one of them. Our gutter leaf guards effectively keep debris out of your gutters, ensuring a smooth flow of water away from your home. This not only protects your property from water damage, but also enhances its curb appeal and value. Ready to safeguard your gutters? Contact us today. Call the Gutter Guys at 866-931-8441 or visit our website at https://thegutterguys.lc. The Gutter Guys, your reliable partner in keeping your home safe, beautiful, and worry-free. Reach out now and see the difference. Don't wait until it's too late. Protect your gutters with the Gutter Guys today.